Oh, very good morning, Sweta.
Good morning.
Your name is Swati, Sweta.
My name is Swati.
Swati. So, firstly, introduce yourself proper.
Okay. My name is Swati. I live at Harsh Vihar and I have completed my 12th class from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BA.
BA.
Yes.
So, anything else you are doing?
I am preparing my exam.
You are
For
preparing for your
exam.
competition,
Yeah.
competitive exams. Okay, nice. So, are you ready
Yes.
for the rapid round?
Yes, sir.
Okay. क्या मुझे पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए?
Should I study?
आपको पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
You should study.
क्यों करनी चाहिए?
Why should you study?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
क्या मुझे आना चाहिए?
Should I come?
क्यों आना चाहिए?
Why should I come?
आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Where are you going?
क्यों जा रहे हैं?
Why are you going?
क्यों हंस रहे हैं?
Why are you laughing?
क्या आप आ रहे हैं?
Are you coming?
क्यों आ रहे हैं?
Why are you coming?
क्या मुझे आना चाहिए?
Should I come?
मैं आना चाहता हूँ.
I want to come.
I wanna
come.
आप क्यों आना चाहते हैं?
Why do you wanna come?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं?
Do you speak English?
क्यों बोलते हैं?
Why do you speak English?
क्या आपका भाई इंग्लिश बोलता है?
Does your brother speak English?
मेरा भाई इंग्लिश बोलता है.
Yes, my brother speaks English.
क्या आपका भाई इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता?
No, my brother doesn't speak English.
Doesn't your brother speak English?
Doesn't your brother speak English?
आपका भाई इंग्लिश क्यों नहीं बोलता?
Why doesn't your brother speak English?
मैं नहीं जानती.
I don't know.
लेकिन
But
वो क्लास अटेंड करता है.
he attends class.
He attends
He attends class.
the class.
He attends the class.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे पूछना चाहिए.
I should speak.
मुझे पूछना चाहिए. I should
ask.
ask. Again.
I should ask.
क्या मुझे पूछना चाहिए?
Should I ask?
लेकिन
But
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
मुझे जाने दीजिए.
Let me go.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Let me speak.
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता था.
I wanted to talk with you.
I wanted to talk to you.
I wanted to talk to you.
लेकिन
But
जब मैं आया
when I come,
आप बिजी थे.
you were busy.
When I came
When I came, you were busy.
इसलिए
That's why
मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया.
I didn't inform you.
आपने इन्फॉर्म क्यों नहीं किया?
Why didn't inform you?
Why didn't you inform?
Why didn't you inform?
Again.
Why didn't you inform?
आप चाहते क्या हैं?
What do you want?
क्या आप बोलना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna speak?
क्या आप लिखना चाहते हैं?
Do you wanna write?
क्या आप बोलना नहीं चाहते?
Don't you wanna speak?
क्या आप लिखना नहीं चाहते?
Don't you wanna write?
आप लिखना क्यों नहीं चाहते?
Why don't you wanna write?
मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I have no time.
इसलिए
That's why
मुझे जाने दीजिए.
let me go.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Let me speak.
मेरे भाई को जाने दीजिए.
Let my brother go.
अगेन.
Let my brother go.
मेरी बहन को जाने दीजिए.
Let my sister go.
वो आपको बताएगी.
She told you.
She will inform you.
She will inform you.
वो आपको इनवाइट करेगी.
She will invite you.
अगेन.
She will invite you.
इसलिए
That's why
वो रास्ते में है.
she is on the way.
क्या वो आ रही है?
Is she coming?
बोलिए.
Is she coming?
वो आ चुकी है.
She has come.
अगेन.
She has come.
इसलिए
That's why
हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं.
we are celebrating.
We are
Celebrating.
अगेन.
We are celebrating.
इसलिए
That's why
चिल्लाइए मत.
don't shout.
क्यों चिल्लाते हो?
Why do you shout?
अगेन.
Why do you shout?
चाहते क्या हो?
What do you want?
अगेन.
What do you want?
क्या आप जा रहे हो?
Are you going?
मैं सो रहा हूँ.
I am sleeping.
क्या आप सो रहे हैं?
Are you sleeping?
चिल्लाओ मत.
Don't shout.
आइए मत.
Don't come.
जाइए मत.
Don't go.
बोलिए.
Don't go.
गाली मत दीजिए.
Don't abuse.
आप गाली क्यों देते हैं?
Why do you abuse?
आप स्मोक क्यों करते हैं?
Why do you abuse? Why do you smoke?
Why do you?
Smoke.
क्या आपने खाना बना दिया है?
Have you cooked the food?
Have you cooked food?
Have you cooked food?
Again.
Have you cooked food?
मैंने खाना बना दिया है.
I have cooked food.
इसलिए
That's why
आपको खाना चाहिए.
you should eat.
आपको आना चाहिए.
You should come.
लेकिन
But
आपके पिताजी खाना खा चुके हैं.
your father has eaten food.
अगेन.
Your father has eaten food.
पिताजी ने कब खाना खाया?
When did father eat food?
अगेन.
When did father eat food?
उन्होंने सुबह खाना खाया.
He eat food in the morning.
He took food in the morning.
He took food in the morning.
इसलिए
That's why.
loudly
That's why.
आपको खाना खाना चाहिए.
You should eat food.
क्या आप खाना खा रहे हैं?
Are you eating food?
हमें खाना खाने दीजिए. Let us
eat food.
again.
Let us eat food.
हमें सेलिब्रेट करने दीजिए.
Let us celebrate.
Again.
Let us celebrate.
ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है.
It's not my cup of tea.
वो आ रहा है.
Is he coming?
वह आ रहा है.
He is coming.
Again.
He is coming.
क्या आपने पूछा?
He asked.
क्या आपने पूछा?
Did you ask?
Again.
Did you ask?
मैंने सुबह पूछा.
I asked.
I asked
in morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Again.
I asked in the morning.
इसलिए
That's why.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
वह आने वाला है.
He is about to come.
क्या वह आने वाला है?
Is he about to come?
लेकिन
But
मैं आ चुकी हूँ.
I have come.
क्या आप आ चुके हैं?
Have you come?
आप कैसे आ चुके हैं?
How have you come?
Again.
How have you come?
मैं ऑटो से आया हूँ.
I have come by auto.
इसलिए
That's why.
loudly.
That's why.
चिल्लाइए मत.
Don't shout.
क्यों चिल्लाते हो?
Why do you shout?
आप हमेशा क्यों चिल्लाते हो?
You always shout.
Why do you always shout?
Why do you always shout?
Again.
Why do you always shout?
आप हमेशा लेट क्यों आते हैं?
Why do you always come on late?
Why do you always come late?
Why do you always come late?
आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? What do you mean to?
What do you mean to say?
Again.
What do you mean to say?
मैं आपको इंसल्ट नहीं करना चाहता.
I don't.
ना insult you.
I don't wanna insult you.
इसलिए
That's why.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Let me speak.
मुझे देखने दीजिए.
Let me see.
लेकिन
But
जब मैं आया वह जा चुका था.
when I come, she had gone.
When I came, he had gone.
When I came, he had gone.
Loudly.
When I came, he had gone.
इसलिए
That's why.
मैं इन्फॉर्म नहीं कर सका.
I didn't inform.
I couldn't inform.
I couldn't inform.
Again.
I couldn't inform.
लेकिन
But
आपको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहिए.
you should inform.
मैं इन्फॉर्म करूंगा.
I will inform.
Done it. So have you enjoyed?
Yes, sir.
Or what did you feel?
I'm feeling good.
Good. Do more practice. We can do better work. Okay? Okay.